ede ache honorable wadaroma de edi kan ede na akoso ewo ho no unim hu bi ana se den na ama yakoye sa exercise no wo Krofuom Columbia ho no
entertain omo Krofuom na me fa ya akotese eso emfama ho me bia fodzi de course no it is a impofu wade a obi antimi antena se amfanyansa kwan so simple ye engage ye empanyifo ho wona ote ho mpo na yehunu kwan a de befa so de tia se anaju de shum be donko 1 am mrantia when I bet you kutu ekwekura pump action, and I'm saying this on the eyewitness reporter in Saki. Eba anaju 1 am. Senipada adan so onu edi wonjumadi on fa home. And one say odi grade the so OG. When you from Obia, assembly member or when you from no, me I had no knowledge of what is going to happen.
101.
All that we heard, and they say this is a private developer. As we speak now, Obiantini bold enough, and can say me krahonka tamini na me na me beye. Where would this? It was foxy, and yet
okay.
Impo crown impo. Say what you would you would have to give notice to the individual some more. You don't come under the cover of darkness. This is very uncivilized and barbaric. Very, very uncivilized.
Okay.
And you see, the information we have, Mayor Mbaho, Mayor also tells us that he has no idea who did it.
Hey.
And that's to understand, say, yes. And to understand, say, one day be on home can impono. On one turn here, we say, Nipan Benya Kukudransa Bebimwa. Then let me aboya me atini pakweza. I mean, who in the right mind will go under the cover of darkness? Say, any pada seni sabi, any muradi na okodo, any pada tuo. I want to be more jumat to be simple. What to ho? No officer wa yodia. Nyansa kwan so no.
Obama mo break akra.
Unu ya no so mo ye nipa. That's why the grade de ko so no kwa kodwi wo mo. I have said, say. But we make sure that person pays for the destruction that person has made. Only Mr. Dan is so crime. Send your transform be a teacher and go to Combe Nipa da sani wom wa hu na nwini ehunu se oye nipa na da bia me busa no se wo nipa na wo ye sade no fa wo toto se senke ye wo ena obi enya anwa kokodro enya anwo sika so ono abeto ho entu na wo te ho ena ompabu akura ne da wo de ka be fa so say no anka wo da anka be dwene wo say. Let us be human for once to ourselves. You see, me understand the bibia danintino and na de ye pension tino na bibi nintino and na manya tumi bi smechina ade. This is not right. So just as we said, we started engagement and we are finding out whoever did that, that person must be accountable to the people.
Okay. Did it come to you as surprise? The mayor of Kumasi betumi akase onimu regional minister who obi aso onimu na obi betumi asori ano pass ye de ho ama no anaso obesoro anadwo so wokono akudwiri ho nyina agu anya wonwa anya
wonwa nkwa just ebomi hu o na kudenti ebomi hu because any the idea put there bibia no ana wo hwe because obi betumi na afra na tie ya what to atwene ni aka che so ehwo ye media anase se ye wi a ye hu nipa no wo ye se on de o kiosk bia no wo ye na djuma kakra bi mu ni ade ni akwa akodwi no ene eko minim jetima me ba ko kasa osima ye sitafo dwa ye tu no wo ye big and crash up oyi ni niam free okwa na konfoko fai en wo sa ball hu jetri kakra no sa de ba ene ni asa ba jetri ba na be boni pa na impo ehu ebe se ni mu no ebetimi afi ni mu.
Okay, I see.
It's you say there say obi abetimi bibia no a de kika ko e authorities will have no idea. But just afraid the authorities contest say be akonfoni akohwe ni pakro be ye dia. Then this is very serious.
I see. It is a see an penifo dia to anim say omo ye nhwehwemu ana say o petition omo no.
He said omo can see ye nhwehwemu ni apenipa or yes I but I would also want to say so wo susu say we ya bema na ya no kwese ho dem be bold enough and face the people. Come and face us. Brandon ye betena se na kan se de ntini sebi be de nya brasem tan.
Yes.
Obi obeba anajo. No oba be yes we under the cover of darkness, and even to understand say e bi kwampa no maka to manim te so ye hufo. O ye hufo onya badaye mani nuano. And that is the problem we have. Sebi emi nua foxy. So why media? Na legitimately Boni Beka say ne kwa paso no e ho ye media. I don't know me ba anajo. It is a bunya no muni tiase. Mba betase nuanom de wo muni said you say fufu ade na nda hokwa e me na media matena so bi ese mpese me de di dwumadi am pese media nti ebre we na mpese bedi bia nuanom so da bibere de be yetia ma yesew ma ye bia na woche boso ne yefanya yi nipa nyina ho ntiase wum wona timi apage won afiri wo afo na japade ene ho bodwa ndi akoba bi fofo ne bi o makotena ato so dwumadi rather than so be bana ba be say wom enyema omo ye no sabi enye japade ni bi na wo ba be ene bi na so peso be 2 years sure say wo de ndi obe ya Nyankopon ton supam suma ne nye yie ma wana enye possible.
Okay. Honorable, said ye umanfo hu say yes ba empuntuo yankoma ne ade a udi o manim ye papa sami ba won nai wo ye de obetumi bia said be ya ebetumi enya atentene ne de ama wo na womo ho kan ye the affected Krofuom wo ho no say say anamontuo de mo te saying.
So what we are doing is we collect everybody. Minia yentimi inform nkojino omujina bia no anu
woni biem
o se bi botom jetri kran enso
yes
but kakra bi e de bema a be ye nkran hye ne betimi apagya ne mankuma bi a akbia ma omde ato yie no eno hu dwumadi na sese ye den ye na etimi anye bia hye arekekere efinipa ho but the kwan bia so na also di dwumadi bia no a ye betimi aboa omanma omasa apagya omo biem no ye nti ani emfiri won ho ye nya wo majeje musa we continuously help obi biara no a ne ho aka bia so that a brand bia and they will be able to be restored to the bia no omo woni biem semponya sa akra no a de be ho ama abrabos pasoiden asabo omo setra mu biem.
Oh, okay. Honorable Yate, on this issue me sure say ye nyina ma ne nkosa akekese ye da onya sa ye ba bia ye ti wan hwa ye so da ho anadwo ne bedwie ne ye dan nyina de afra ye nyina de ni bedi akiri na ya hwe okrata no so no office bia se timi duru bia no ye be bisa mpanimfo ne ye nya anu yie e de aboa ti anope ye na ase na ye mfa hunsia bibia ne ye beka
that's be bi ne Nyankopon sha so
on sha won so. Honorable Akwasi Konadu mrahye bedwani